Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you, and I know I've not gisted to you about my Children's Day, so I'm going to tell you now. On Children's Day, I had a lot of fun, and I went to the Motherless Babies Home, which is the orphanage. We had a lot of fun. We played a lot of games. We even did dancing competitions, and it was so fun. I was so happy then, and all the children, and I played and danced with all the children there, and we had a lot of fun. I love my Children's Day. First of all, I thought it would be sorrowful, but it wasn't. So now this is like the opening prayer, and I was told to pray. And this auntie here is Auntie Queen. She's the person she was the host. Even with, I just got carried away with the dancing. Now there are 4 people. People just keep winning and winning and winning. This game is actually fun when you get to know the game. Yep. So these are the big kids doing theirs, and they're doing their own musical chairs. People lose, people win. Now these are 2 people who will win. Now this is me giving my speech.
That's the end of my story. So, whenever your life is hard, just believe in yourself. Your life may be hard now. You're just stressed, but just believe in yourself, because you know that you can do it. That's how when the tortoise wanted to race, everybody was saying, tortoise, you race with the hare. We already know that hare will win. So what is the need of this race? But then the tortoise still wanted to race, and at the end the tortoise won. That's how whenever you know you want to do something, you will do it. The Bible says, as a man thinketh in his heart, he is. Thank you.
I'm done with my speech, and that was fun, and I hope they also learned something. Now this girl here is here to perform a song for us. I love her voice. Now let's listen to the song.
Our future to somewhere and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I never find anyone to fulfill my needs. A lonely place to be. So I learned to stand on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I'll leave a sign to live. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because of reckless love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me.
Because now this is a game when question asks me. Asking questions.
Piglet.
Those that eat grass, those that eat meat, and one other one that eats something else.
Now I got the correct answer. Now I got the
Those
correct
that eat
answer.
eggs, they eat grass. What are they called? No.
Important to answer this.
Thank you very much. Those that eat meat, what are they
I
called?
got sweet for it.
Those
It was a very funny school.
that eat meat, what are they called?
And I still answered that question and I still got too sweet.
What are they called?
Okay. So now, and I still answered this question. And I was still giving another sweet. But they wanted me to share the sweet with them, so I actually said, "Ooh, this is the best part, the egg race." Clearing the way up. Now it's almost time to start the egg race. Telling the rules. On your mark, get set, ready, go.
Get set. Go.
Let's see. Now this is where they're sharing. I love the visit. Love the visit. It was so fun dancing. At first, I thought it would be sorrowful because they know how to dance, but they don't even care about that. Now, as you see here, this is drawing competition and they're telling us to draw of your village. But first of all, draw your house. See, there are a lot of people got a lot of ideas on what to draw. Look at mine there. Okay, that's not mine. But that's the board. Look at 70 zone. A lot of people have nice this. Look at mine. I'm gonna rock this thing. But I don't even know the person that won.